Hey friends, I'm out here at John Hunt Park at the new skate park, and this place is wild. Welcome to the beautiful John Hunt Park, just off the Parkway and Airport Road in Huntsville, Alabama. This beautiful park has nearly 450 acres, and it is home to soccer, volleyball, cross country. It has a playground, a festival site, skate park, disc golf course, outdoor fitness course, tennis complex, ice skating and hockey rinks, mountain bike trails, baseball and softball fields, a stadium, and so much more. The plans for this park are amazing. Currently, there is a cross-country running trail that can have race distances of up to 10K. There is a disc golf course, 18-hole disc golf course, offers both a long and a short layout. John Hunt Park is also home to the Joe Davis Stadium and the Wicks Family Field, the multi-sport venue that is home to the Huntsville City Football Club. Currently being built is the Loretta P. Spencer Sports Complex, which includes 2 lighted championship multi-purpose fields with stadium seating, concession areas, locker rooms, and restroom facilities. There is also the Benton H. Wilcoxon Ice Sports Center. It's a year-round dual rink ice center, which has hockey and ice skating for all ages. In the future, the plans are for the John Hunt Park Rec Center, which is going to be a 53,000 square foot center that will offer lighted pickleball courts. It'll have full-size gymnasiums, a fitness center, and so much more. But right now, you can head over to John Hunt Park and check out the incredible Getaway Skate Park. It's a 52,000 square foot skate park, which has 3 bowl areas, 2 snake runs, a 3/4 capsule. The kids and adults at the skate park were incredible to watch. So even if rolling and skating are not your thing, check out the John Hunt Skate Park just for fun. Also, there is a fabulous playground called Kids Space. My granddaughters love this place. There are themed areas and adventure things all throughout, including a sky bridge and a ropes course, all kinds of seating, restrooms and water stations, all the things you would need for playground fun. John Hunt Park is also home to the Sand Volleyball Complex, which is a 17-acre professional sand volleyball area with 15 lighted courts and pavilions, locker rooms, and restroom facilities. We've hosted several wonderful sand volleyball tournaments. And I would be remiss if I did not tell you about the upcoming musical event this year. The city of Huntsville has announced that this year we will be hosting some great big outdoor music festival at John Hunt Park. Details to follow, so stay tuned. As soon as I hear something, you'll hear something. So head over to John Hunt Park for all your recreational needs. John Hunt Park is the place to be.